Alright, we gotta go shovel some snow outside. Let's grab this, open the door, grab that there. Let's go. As you can see, it has snowed in quite a lot. Look at this car. You can see everything is fully snowed in. It is a snow day, there is no school today. Snow on the ground. Everything is just fully snowed in. And now we got the car right here. So let's just start by dusting it off. Just watch how soft this just comes off like this. It's nice and powder right now, so now's a good time. Let's clean all of this. We got the back side. We're gonna try and push it a little bit to out on the side like this. Like this. Let's get these windows here. All that snow just comes off. Now we got the front of the car. That is also fully covered. Let's see how deep it is. You can see it's pretty deep, so we can just scoop it off like this. Oh man, got in my face. See the windshield starting to clear in. You can see the inside of the car. Let's get this part here. Ooh. Man, the snow just keeps blowing right back into my face. Alright, now we have to try and get this part here open so the windshield, or the wipers, can actually work. Dust the car off a little bit more, clean the headlights, and we can actually lift this one up as well. Whoa, don't want it interfering like that. There you go. Now the two are up. We can sweep inside here. See, there's a little bit of ice build up here, right there. It just comes off like that. It's not too hard ice right now, so alright, there we go. And just get this part here. Alright, now that we got all this part clean, we can go ahead and put these right back down and get the other side here, standing up like that, and we'll just put it down like that, nice and gentle. See, the windows just keep coming right back, so go like this, and like that, and we'll go here, I'll get the door handles, like that. And let's just get a scoop here and make it all fall like this. Right now I'm pushing all the snow that side. Gotta be careful, there's a little antenna piece. Okay, so now that I've pushed all the snow, we're gonna push it more like so. Now I got big clumps here. We'll do a little push like that, and then we'll go ahead, angle it, and it'll all just fall like that. And there we go. Now let's just get the door handles here. Door handle. Windows. Alright, now let's go one more sweep at the front. This is a really satisfying part. Let's get the other side. Sweep down here. Clean the brush. There's no snow right on it. Alright, and let's just sweep this part here. There you go. I do think the car is all finished now. We'll just do some final touches, but there you go. The car's all finished. We do have to try and shovel this part here, all this snow here. I'm gonna shovel it because all they do is they just put snow more. Look at the roads. Looks pretty busy. And yeah, so that's gonna do it for today. Oh, we got a guy getting towed. Looks like a car crash or something. But alright, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, and see you guys all next time. Laters.